My name is Aftab Sheikh. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Recently, I completed my degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Yavatmal, Maharashtra. After completing my degree, I searched for some embedded courses from Google. Then I got Emertxe Information Technologies. It is one of the best institutes in India for embedded systems. And I also want to learn some practical skills that's used in industries like as in automotive or in aerospace. That's why I joined embedded systems. And here I learned some practical skills like as advanced C programming, C++ programming, data structures and algorithms, then microcontrollers, then Linux internals. Mentors are very friendly and they have deep understanding of that particular subject, and they make all concept easy to understand. And I also grateful to our placement team to help me to get secure my position in Avin systems. And I would suggest who want to develop your career in embedded system, and they can join Emertxe. Last of all, thank you so much, Emertxe.